Electricians, plumbers, and HVAC contractors wanted a fast and portable metal cutting solution. MAKITA answered with the 18-volt LXT lithium-ion brushless, cordless 5 7/8 inch metal cutting saw. The 2 1/4 inch cutting capacity will cut 2-inch conduit in a single pass, a huge time saver for electricians. The MAKITA-built brushless motor produces 3,900 RPMs for faster cutting of unistrut, channel, pipe, steel, and more. Automatic speed change technology adjusts cutting speed and torque during operation for optimum performance. Equipped with an electric brake for increased productivity and dual LED lights that illuminate the work area. LXT also has the fastest charge time in the category, powered by a fast-charging LXT battery. This tool is equipped with star protection, communication technology between the tool and battery that protects against overload, over-discharge, and overheating. It's part of the MAKITA 18-volt series, the world's largest 18-volt lithium-ion cordless tool lineup.